Hello and welcome to ITM 345. In the next couple of minutes I'll walk you through the basics of this class that we will be going through in the next several weeks. This class is new in this trimester. I've been teaching a similar named class ITM 345 actually for several years, and we will use some of the structure, but we will use a new textbook that I will cover later on. Okay, so ITM 345 is about business intelligence and decision support systems. We have a lot of hands-on assignments, so it's really great if you have some practical experience. The course project should be a real-life project. You can pick a business or a non-profit company, and I want you to analyze a problem, something that impacts growth for that company, and you propose a specific project and an implementation plan. Obviously, the objective here is that you identify a problem that can be solved with a decision support system or with business intelligence, so with analytics, etc., etc. And in that project, you basically show how you would do that. There's also a team project for this class. In the team project, we will discover the use of BI and decision support systems specific to industry verticals. You basically will see that the same technology is used in different industries in a very different ways, and there's a report out in the class. Since this is a cyber class, we will do that through a discussion forum, and then you will be able to use tools to solve problems. We will use Tableau for data visualization. There's one exercise with MicroStrategy where you can build a dashboard, and we also will use Google Fusion tables. So that's really a fun part of this class. Okay. In the class, we will cover classic BI and also touch on big data. Following the flow of data, we start with a database for transactional data. This is where the transactional data is recorded, and you will learn how to differentiate database and data warehouse. We'll talk about ETL, extraction, transformation, and load. This is how the transactional data is basically transferred from the database into the data warehouse. We'll talk about different data warehouse architectures, about online analytical processing, the slicing and dicing, the cubes. And there's a new approach where you don't do ETL and where you don't do OLAP, but where you use big data, basically on an entire data set. So that big data approach is different than a traditional flow through ETL and data warehouse into OLAP. Then on top of that, you can build decision support with data visualization and visual analytics, dashboards and reports, and then BPM and KPIs, business process and KPIs. And then we will cover some industry-specific use cases as they are in the textbook. The textbook is a very renowned textbook by Torben and Sharda. We also use the Teradata University Network, YouTube, a couple of YouTube videos on big data and OLAP. We'll use Google Fusion tables and Tableau for teaching. So you will get a good overview of the different tools, the methodologies in BI and decision support, and you will get your hands on some of these tools, so you'll end up with practical experience. BI and decision support systems is a hot topic. I'm glad you choose this class, and I look forward on working with you throughout the semester. Have fun, and when there's any questions, don't hesitate to contact me.